In this video, I'll be showing you how to block spam calls on Android. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, Android phones have become significantly better at blocking spam thanks to AI-driven scam detection features, and whether you're on a Pixel, Samsung, or Motorola, the tools for stopping unwanted calls are built right into your dialer. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up your phone application, and then on the top right, press the three little dots. Then what you want to do is go over to settings, and then what you want to do is tap caller ID and spam protection. So we're going to go ahead and find that. And then all you want to go ahead and do when you see that is switch it on. And then once you go ahead and switch it on, select block all spam and high risk scam calls. And this prevents your phone from even vibrating with a known solicitor calls. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. And then what you want to do on Motorola is go over to caller ID and spam and then toggle see caller and spam ID to on as well. And on Google Pixel, go to the spam and call screen within the settings again and set unknown callers to automatically screen. And the assistant will ask the caller who they are and why they're calling.